Hi, this is Giles Johnston from Fraction ERP with a short walkthrough video covering the shipment function within our cloud-based ERP system. Once we're in the shipments page, we can add a new shipment by clicking on the button in the top right hand corner here and then searching for an active contract. I'm going to choose a recently completed works order as shown here that we haven't shipped any of the items for yet. I can then create a shipment and choose how many items I wish to ship. I'm going to ship all 12 in this case. We need to choose the courier method, and then if we have the weight and dimensions we can add them here before clicking submit shipments. I can now find my new delivery note at the top of this list here, and I can choose to print it if I wish to do so. Once I've got my printout or saved it as a PDF, I can return to this main screen, and if I refresh the screen I can see that my delivery note has now had its status changed to shipped. I also have the option at this point to raise the invoice, but that's going to be shown in a separate video. I hope this video has given you a good idea of how Fraction ERP works when it comes to shipments and delivery notes. If you'd like to learn more about Fraction ERP and how it can help your business to become more productive, then please sign up for a free demo using the main contact form on our website. Thank you.